How to turn off location access on Reddit and improve your privacy. This quick tutorial will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now go to Account Settings. Scroll down until you find Location Customization, then tap on it. If your location is set to a country or use approximate location based on IP, tap on it and change the setting to No Location Specified. This will prevent Reddit from using your location for personalized recommendations and location-based content. Once you've selected No Location Specified, the changes are applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned off location access on Reddit and improved your account privacy in just a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, you might also want to check how to make your Reddit account private or manage Reddit privacy settings for even more control over your account.